You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name from Swedish or Norse, let's say in Beowulf? In English it is said as Geat, indeed, Geat. Now, in Norse it is said rather as Geat, so it is both pronunciations are essentially used and accepted, Geat or Geat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.